Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we got sound, vibration and mute modes. Just we could select one from them by this way, just by select this checkbox. We could switch the ringtone, notification sound. In system sound section we could switch the volume of the system sounds to change the system sound temp, and to activate and turn off the touch interactions, dial buttons, keyboard sounds, charging and screen lock and lock sounds. We got here the volume section with which we could switch the volume level of the notifications, media systems, and we could also use volume keys for media, and when we'll turn it off we'll use volume keys to change the ringtone. Let's go back. Here we could switch the call, vibration and notification vibration patterns just by select one from them. We could switch the vibration intensity, also the system vibration by the same way. And we could in sound quality and effects section switch the equalizer sound and switch the adapt sound, and to use the separate app sound. And also we got the don't disturb mode. We could activate or turn off this option to set the duration, the schedule, and to allow some calls, messages and notifications or alerts from many people's or apps. So that's it, that had the sound settings on our Galaxy phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.